Hello, this is Lisa Langell with Langell Photography, and I am here in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona, where I live. But I'm going to be coming to Michigan, my home state, to talk to you about some really creative things you can do with your photography. We're going to actually start with the end result and work backwards. We're going to talk about, yes, things about composition and technique, but more importantly, we're going to talk about your final vision. And I'm not talking about simply pre-visualizing the image in the field. I'm talking about art, design principles and concepts, color. We're going to be talking about how to hang your work and what you can do with it to really separate yourself with your own unique style from everybody else that's doing their thing. This is really going to be a game changer, and I look forward to sharing with you some things that I've discovered that just made photography so much more exciting for me after doing so since I was a kid. So some new stuff, fresh way to think about it, and will really change your photography from, a picture on the wall into some really beautiful art in ways you haven't thought about. I look forward to seeing you soon, and have a great day in the interim. Take care.